my name is Martina Loy and today we are going to show you how to do blonzing. Do you know that you don't have to use bronzer or contour to make your face look more dimensional? Blonzing is a brand new and unique technique when you use only a blush to define your cheekbones. I like using cream blushers because it is easier to blend, it is more user-friendly and it looks more natural. Today I'm gonna use this beautiful and my favorite blush from MAC. It is called Glow Play and it is in a shade Pinch of Marrakesh. I think this shade is perfect for every undertone. You don't have to be scared. I will be using this really thick brush because it is going to make your blending much easier and it is going to look beautiful and pretty gorgeous. Have you ever heard about the good old number 3? We are going to start on our forehead, exactly like that. Then we transform on top of our cheekbones. Do you see the shade? It's perfect. And connect it under your jawline, exactly where you can see your natural shadow. Perfect! And now it's time for some finishing touches. We're gonna use our finger as a stem. Put a little bit on your eyelids, nose, and a little bit on our lips to connect the whole makeup. You see, you don't have to use that much product to look that beautiful.